Jadi Pak Su mau
cupcake kapan? Ke Asda. Waduh, sudah nih. Yuk. Welcome.
Oh, because I had this proper. No, it's not working.
Kita ke Asda gitu dong. Kita ke Asda.
And I'm singing.
Iya.
ya. Jadi Pak Su mau buat cupcake. Ambil susu. Ambil susu. Lalu ambil telur. Lalu ngambil apa lagi, Pak Su? Coklat.
Oh, ini cupcake. Cupcake kapan?
Ini bagian membuat kue-kue. Tepung, flour. We have baking soda. We have baking powder.
You have a baking powder?
Yes, we have
How many?
one like that. It's enough. Jangan salfok sama perut Pak Su ya. Itu di perutnya itu. Isinya HP sama dompet.
Someone big like that, yeah?
What is that?
Baking powder.
Yep, we have baking powder.
Big like that, yeah?
No, like that, like this. Nih, for cupcake. Brownies. Iya, ini brownies. Nah, apa nak? Ada mau cupcake? Mau? Ini video random ya guys. Brownies mix. Habis itu Pak Su ngambil apa itu? What is that yang? Milk. What is that? Rice pudding. Oh, rice pudding, guys. Bubur. Kenapa? Hah? Kenapa kau marah? Hah? Nah, bos? Kenapa kau marah? Kenapa Anda marah? Custard.
One.
Adam upset. Adam upset.
Sugar.
Oh yes, sugar. Honey, honey. Beli gula. Harga gulanya? Which one now? Yellow? Blue? £1 38. Which one? Cheaper?
Yeah, I think cheaper. Sugar is sugar.
Why different price? Yellow and blue. Yang kuning 2 pound. Yang biru 1 pound. Do your chocolate? How much is this? Ah? No, they didn't know that. Take.
Back.
Kenapa sih Adam ini? Adam kenapa, Adam? Terlambat
You have
record.
learned the spell Campfire, worker level 1.
Kalau kerja cepat kali.
Level 1.
Nah,
Class.
udah kayak gini.
Effect. Create small magical campfire. Adds 5% to
Dia
energy,
kalau
mana,
ngapa-ngapain
and
itu
health
cepat.
regeneration to all within 3 yards. Cost 150 mana. Type area of effect. Casting time 5 seconds. Recovery 30
Kalau
minutes.
cupcake-nya gagal,
Duration,
kita
1
aja ya, Adam.
hour. Because the
Iya, ya kan, Dam?
campfire was something he
Kalau udah
couldn't
dimasaknya gagal, kita aja ya.
placed the 2 runestones back in his inventory. The ground was covered in dead leaves, pine needles, and small branches.
Cepat kali dia buat.
Standing
Udah
up, he
dingin,
cleared a
udah dingin.
6-foot area with his foot in front of the statue. Big D had
Apa?
told him to be cautious, and he didn't want to burn the entire park down. noticed a small square campfire at the top of his vision and smiled at his first buff.
It's already broken. I
Ruin
need to
focused
buy
on
a
the
new one.
little fire he created, and his smile turned into a
Why
grin.
broken?
It's old already.
He cast a spell. He had used magic. His whole
Can I
body
take off?
felt warm, and he realized it wasn't only from his success. Every second, his log was updated. You have regained 8 mana, 0.25% times 160, plus 5%
No more?
times 160.
It's moving.
You
Look.
have regained
Or
5
maybe I will open and try check what's
0.20%
going on.
times 100,
Right.
plus 5% times 100. You have regained 12 energy, 1% times 200,
I
plus
was thinking it would be more
5%
thick.
times 200.
Not so.
He closed his log, opened his preferences, and set all notifications to minimize. At first, everything appearing in front of him had been interesting, but it had become distracting. Now, most prompts or notifications would stay out of his
No
field
sweet.
of view until he wanted to read them. The vertigo
Shouldn't be
debuff
so sweet.
disappeared, and he pushed himself to a sitting position. It pleased him how fast his mana bar refilled while sitting by the fire. The fire gave off warmth, but no smoke, and he could faintly hear crackling and smell burning wood. He stretched out his hand, and the closer they got to the flames, the hotter it got. It really did look and
I
feel
like
like a
some
real
I like
fire.
chocolate bar. Here
Magic
it
was
is.
easy. He closed his eyes and mentally
Yeah, I know.
flipped through the hundreds of books he'd read on mages. He found the book he wanted, a memoir of a fire mage that included his time at the Mage Academy. The first part of the book had lengthy descriptions of how lonely it was at the Mage Academy, but it had also contained drawings of the spells the mage had learned. Ruin found the sketch the mage had made of his first spell,
Hey, that
Fireball.
chocolate bar.
Not surprisingly, the symbol looked like a burning circle. Ruin let the sketch fill his mind. His whole body flushed, and it felt like 1,000 bees were stinging him at the same time. Then it was gone. A dull yellow rectangle pulsed in the lower corner of his vision. He selected it, and a notification appeared. Bing! You have learned the spell Fireball, Mage Level 1. This was so easy. He was going to be the greatest mage in history. He studied the details of the spell. Spell, Fireball, Level 1. Class, Mage. Range, Line of Sight. Damage, 48 to 64. Effect, creates a ball of flame at the caster's focus. Explodes on impact. Cost, 50 mana. Type, area of effect, 15 feet. Casting time, 3 seconds. Recovery, 5 seconds. He closed the notification. Now there was only one thing left to do. Something he had waited his entire life for. His skin prickled with excitement. Standing, Ruin carefully looked around. There was no one in sight. He wiped his hands on his pants and stared at the stream. He must be really talented for all of this to come so easy. It was obvious he didn't go to the academy. They would only slow his progress down. Hope blossomed inside him, and he grinned. Things were going to be just fine. Ruin stared at the stream about 30 feet away. He just had to try the fireball spell. It would make him an official mage. He focused on the middle of the stream, not wanting to risk lighting anything on fire. He pictured the flaming circle and pushed it toward the water. He felt the pull of mana from his body, but it wasn't nearly as bad as when he cast Campfire. A branch snapped to his left, and Ruin glanced that way. A squirrel leaped from the broken limb to a nearby tree. Movement caught his attention, and Ruin saw a man mostly hidden by the trunk of the maple tree. He was looking at the squirrel above him, and his neck was covered in a scarf. Ruin gasped in recognition. It was one of the 2 men he'd seen that morning on his way to the temple, and then again while he'd eaten his sandwich near the lodge. Was he following Ruin? Ruin opened his mouth to confront the man when the 3-second casting time of Fireball finished. In a whoosh, his mana separated from him, and it